Okay, so I have a 2002 Honda Accord Coupe, and it's having issues starting. I checked the battery's good, everything's good. As soon as I go and try to start it, it makes this clicking sound. So I'm going to show you an example right here of the sound it makes. Obviously, you can hear the key in the ignition. Now it's out. Keys back in. You hear the ignition sound that the key's in. I go to not turn it, but everything's working fine. Everything looks okay. But as soon as I go to try to turn it to start it, it does this. And it makes a clicking sound. Don't know what that is. It's 2002 Honda Coupe V6. Like I said, as soon as I go to start it, let's turn it off again. Key symbol flashing. Keys in. Go to start it. Makes this clicking. You can hear it. And all the lights do that. So if anyone can help me, be greatly appreciated.